It's showtime!
Oh god, he's pissed, he's pissed!
Tornado or what?
I should kick your f***ing ass!
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio alert system. During hazardous weather and emergency situation. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio alert system. During hazardous weather and emergency situations, the alert tones which were just broadcast will automatically activate special receivers to alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally conducted swiftly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the TX97 listening area. Listening area in Missouri, St. Louis, Franklin, Jefferson, Lincoln, St. Charles, Warren, and the city of St. Louis. In Illinois, Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you. Thursday night, cloudy. Scattered showers in the afternoon. For 60s. Southeast wind.
Shut up. Good to see you back, Hillsboro. Hello? Guys?
This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
I'm done. Are you serious? Lincoln?
This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Alternate weather radio broadcast.
Oh my god, Lincoln.
For the latest
Hold
weather
on.
information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Bruh.
This NOAA weather radio station is
Good job.
The current time is
Good job, Lincoln.
21.
Ending it. Are you actually gonna do it? You gonna do it right this time? Let me guess, text to speech.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming.